What is going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today is the third day in a row that I've been fishing. I've been trying to catch some bass and I can't make it happen. So today I have a special little challenge, but here at the creek, trying to catch some bluegill. Whenever I can't catch bass, I fish for bluegill because that is my last resort. So I'm gonna be doing that today. If the bluegill don't bite, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's a pretty chilly day today. I have double sweaters, double sweatpants. It's freaking cold outside, so hopefully we can catch some fish within a few hours. So less talking, I'm gonna go check out the creek and see if I can find some bluegill. Let's get to it. All right, everybody, so out of all the days I did not want to fish today. It is freezing cold outside. It's like 40 something degrees. I know it's not crazy for some of y'all who don't live in Texas, but I live in Texas. I'm used to heat. I love the heat. I don't think I ever want to move from Texas, but it is cold. There's no sun out, so that makes it even worse, and it's a little windy. But today's challenge, as you can tell, I'm opening a pack of fresh glizzies, and I'm gonna try and catch a fish with one of these glizzies. A bluegill specifically. I hope they eat this because I did not bring any other bait. I'm thinking they are gonna eat this. It kind of looks like a worm. I don't know how well it's gonna stay on the hook. I hope it stays on pretty good, but I'm at a juicy little spot and I do think it can have some fish. So that is the challenge for today, to try and catch a bluegill on weenies. I really hope these bluegill are active. That's my rig right there. See if that works. Hopefully it does. I think it's gonna come off like the first cast, so we'll see if we can make it happen. Yeah, it came off right away. This is gonna be a tough challenge, not gonna lie. Oh, bluegill? I'm getting bit. Take it, bud. Oh, I think I had a bluegill. No way, he took my glizzy. He took it. All right, if I don't catch any fish here in this area, today's video isn't happening. It is way too cold. I'm not gonna go to another spot. This is the best bluegill spot I know of, so I don't know where they're at. I was originally going to fish a baloney. I think it's actually harder because I think it's thinner. I don't know. Right there. Oh, I just had one mark it. Got one. First fish of the day. What is that? That's big. That's big. Big fish. Big fish. What is that? It's huge. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get in here, buddy. Giant. Giant. My gosh. Look at the size of that. Is that a bluegill? That's a bluegill. I can lift this bluegill. That is an old bluegill. Old bluegill. Oh my gosh. I was struggling to catch a fish and I saw this fish murk it. This is a giant bluegill. This is probably my PB bluegill. This is a giant bluegill. Probably one of the biggest bluegill in this creek. It's huge. I thought it was a bass. Look at the mouth on that thing. Look at that bluegill. The mouth. That is insane. He is old. He is old. Look at that. The marks. Possibly one of the oldest bluegills I've ever caught. He is definitely an old bluegill. Look at the mouth on that thing. Insane. I'm gonna go ahead and toss him back in the water. That thing is giant. I thought that was a bass. First catch of the day on the weenie. That was insane. I think I lost one like that last time and it was probably just as big, but I think this one was definitely an old bluegill. That is crazy. All right, I'm gonna tie on some more weenie. Today I'm gonna grind it out. I have a few hours. If I can catch that bluegill, I can catch regular sized bluegills. That was insane. That was a big bluegill. Oh my gosh. Maybe my PB bluegill, which is funny to say, but I think that was. All right, so for those of y'all who are curious how I'm baiting this up, I'm basically kind of cutting it down like in slices and then cutting it into 4 pieces, small pieces. I tried bigger pieces, couldn't really get any bites. It's kind of working out like that. I caught that giant bluegill. The only problem with this is it comes off pretty easily, so that's the only downside with these weenies. When you get bites, it's kind of tough, and when you cast, it's also pretty tough, but I think we can run into another one. Got one. No, no, I was letting it dangle from the tree. I hooked him for maybe 2 seconds. I'm not gonna lie, if I had some worms, I'd be slaying them right now. But these weenies, see, look, I think, yeah, just that cast, that one came off. Oh, I have one. I have one. Oh, no way, I got another bluegill. Come on, get in here. Yes, let's freaking go. Not a giant, not as big as the last one. The last one is freaking huge. There we go. The hook came out. Not a bad fish. Not as giant as the first one, but I'll take it. Back in the water he goes. This challenge is rough, but we're making it happen. Catching fish. Let's keep fishing. right there. I got one in the tree, out of the tree. Let's freaking go. Third bluegill of the day. We're making it happen, people. I'm figuring out the weenie game. It kind of has some orange going on right here. That's pretty cool. Not bad. Beautiful little fish. Back in the water he goes. All right, so I think I'm figuring out how to rig up these weenies, and it seems to be working, so I'm gonna keep using that method. Hopefully we can land some more. I got one. I got one. That's a decent one. Fourth bluegill of the day. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Get in here, buddy. The tree dangle. That's what's making it happen. Second biggest one of the day right there. At this point, even catching bluegill is pretty fun. It's been days since I've caught a bass, so catching these guys is pretty fun. All right, everybody, there we go. Fourth bluegill of the day. I'm gonna toss them back in the water. Swam off just fine. One more. I'm gonna try and catch one more. It seems like dangling it from the tree kind of seems to be the move. It's kind of hard to hook them just with casting it. Kind of dangling it from that branch right there, letting them eat it is kind of the move. So I'm gonna try and do that again. It's really tough catching them on weenies, not gonna lie. I've tried some pretty tough challenges and this has got to be one of them. So I'll keep fishing. We're making it happen either way. I think I can land one more. I'm gonna try and do that. Hopefully I do. I got one. I didn't even realize I had one. Buddy and held it. He wanted that weenie. There we go. Fifth bluegill of the day right there. Back in the water he goes. I think I'm gonna try and catch one more. Just a few small ones right here. I think I can catch one last one. I'm gonna try and land one more. If not, I'll do the outro because it's freezing out here. All right, everybody, that's going to effectively end today's video. I apologize if the video was short. I don't know how much footage I got. I tried my best to catch as many bluegill as I possibly can. It's getting way too cold out here. It's freezing. I apologize that these next few months the uploads are kind of late or they're kind of delayed. I'm trying my best to catch fish. It's really tough for me to catch fish in the winter, especially when it gets really cold, like 30 degrees, 40 degrees. I can't seem to catch fish, but I promise that in the summer we'll land some more fish. I'm trying my best this winter to land as many fish as I possibly can. So like I said, I apologize if some videos are delayed or I upload kind of late. It's because I can't catch fish, not because I don't want to upload, but I can't catch fish during the winter. But this summer we should be able to slay them. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time on JJ Fishes.